probably about 6:30 Friday morning, and I have yet to go to sleep. Tried for about 4 hours, but no luck. So I have decided that I'm going to get up, get dressed, and tackle this room. This room is the room I've been stacking stuff in, literally, that I need to decide if I want, don't want, need, don't need in the TrailManor. So it looks worse than it really is. I've got things separated out into laundry baskets, you know, as far as cleaning stuff, bathroom stuff, camping stuff. But I'm going to go through it and downsize. So I'll turn you around and show you my organized mess. Okay, here we go. So, yeah, it looks really bad. But, you know, once the cushions get put back in the TrailManor and all this stuff, I've got tools and I've got CDs, and then there's a hose back there for, you know, the water and stuff, and some track lighting, and then the, I don't know what this is called, I can't remember. Anyway, so today, or right now, I'm just going to start digging through this stuff and organizing it a little bit more. So, I'm not looking forward to it, but I took all day yesterday off trying to recuperate from the painting that I did and fixing the roof, and my little stumble down the stairs, or up the stairs. I fell going up the stairs of the TrailManor when I posted the last video at the very end when the UPS guy came. Yeah, carrying the box, going up the stairs into the TrailManor. I tripped going up the stairs and whacked my elbow and the top of my foot. So I took yesterday off. Anyway, so I'm going to get busy doing this, and when I get this a little more organized, I will come back. Okay, well, I've been working in here for about 20 minutes maybe, and I wanted to show you I'm making a little bit of progress. I put together a little, well, not so little, but kind of a toolbox type thing. Got my WD-40. Everybody's got to have that, right? Some Eternabond stuff, rags, hammer, duct tape, some caulking, 2 tubes. There's one here and one there. Some little knives. And then I've got a toolbox somewhere. Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Anyway, I got a toolbox somewhere that I'm going to put out there too. I'm not sure where it went. Cutting board. This is like all electrical stuff. Walkie-talkies. In here, these were my husband's when he would go hunting. So I figured, well, I'll give them a shot, try. Let's see where they are right now. I'll pull one out and show you. Oh, there's one. Anyway, so we'll see if and when I ever travel with someone, and we'll be able to talk back and forth on the little radios rather than trying to text. I think it'd be safer. Anyway, so yeah, I'm getting there. That's the table for the TrailManor, and I'm working my way back this way, and I've got a couple of baskets here that have kitchen stuff in it. I don't have that much storage in the TrailManor, so I'm going to try and condense all this down and get rid of stuff I don't think I'm going to use. Over here I've got outdoor stuff. There's a orange bag there that's got some, those, I think they're called like Lego things you drive up onto level. A couple of chalks and 2 solar lights down in there. Right there. And then this is all the water and sewer stuff. Nice big speaker right here if I ever figure out how to hook it up. Then I got a pad for my bed, a lawn chair back there, my washing machine. Don't think I'm out of room for that. This is an outdoor cook stove. Oh, this is a cute little clock my friend Linda and I found one day when we were out shopping. It's a chalkboard. So I'll put that up out there. This is that 2-burner cook stove that runs on propane, and probably what I'm going to use this for is if I ever do any canning, then I can do my canning outside. Anyway, so moving right along, some little stick-on frames. You can see it through the glare, but yeah, there they are. So I'll use those up on the wall somewhere. Some books, some Kleenex. Anyway, I'm getting there little by little. Just got this little area here to thin out. I've already gotten rid of a bunch of stuff. So, yeah, I'm getting there. Okay, I'm going to keep working, and I will bring you back when I get some more done. I got the cushions off of the bed, the couch, the back of the couch. Those are the seats for the couch. And these, hi Wrangler. These are the mattresses for the bed. But anyway, got them all off, got them all washed. Boy, was that a chore putting those babies back on there. Woo! Anyway, okay, so I got the room pretty much straightened out. This is kitchen stuff, washing machine that I'm not sure I'm going to have room for. This is all electrical and tools, and there is one cubby outside for all of that. The table for the TrailManor. This is kitchen stuff. Look how tiny those pots and pans are. They're small. Yeah. And this is all kitchen stuff too. This is they hang on the bottom of the cabinets. Paper plates. This one in here is for napkins. This holds garbage bags and the garbage bag itself. This is a pretty cool little guy. I got it on wish.com. These things, these little slits in here, slide over the rack, or yeah, they slide in the rack, or not a rack, but the shelf in the refrigerator, so that it just gives you a little extra drawer in your fridge. Anyway, yeah, I got 4 of those on wish.com. Pretty cool stuff. Anyway, this is just a little tub that the previous owner had her water hose in, and she left all that with me. And then that's a collapsible laundry basket. Not even sure where I got that. Anyway, these are my dishes. They're plastic, heavy plastic. They look like glass. Yeah, the light. Yeah, I love them. There's a bowls, plates, and salad plates. But they'll go with the material for the curtains really, really well. So everything I got was really bright. Let's see. So there's one. There's some curtains will be made out of that. Valances will be made out of it. But yeah, not too bad, huh? This is mostly living room, dining room area. This is the bathroom and the back bedroom color material for the curtains. So those are done. Curtains are done. This is the other basket that I got, and it's got 3 in there. Got them at the dollar store in Merced. Yeah, so this is probably the quilt I'll be using in there. Well, it's a down blanket. And then these pillows I'll recover using this material or accents in this material, so that everything kind of blends in. Yeah, so yeah, making some progress. Think I ordered enough of this stuff. The lap sealant, the Dicor stuff. I got a pack of 12. I think it was like I think it was, I don't know, $6 a bottle or a tube. I don't know. Anyway, my girlfriend and I split it. But yeah, quite a few in there. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. That killed about an hour and a half of my time. So if you guys have any questions or you want to see something specific on the TrailManor, if you have any questions about it, let me know, and I'll get an answer filmed or a picture of whatever you're wanting to know posted up here on YouTube. But I think now I'm going to well, I've got to go to Merced and get that wallpaper. I don't know, I'll figure something out on that. I really do hate shopping. Anyway, so I think what I'll do is I'll take the curtains out and those tracks. I may put the curtains up in areas. Okay, so I'm going to show you these tracks. Yeah, I'm going to take one of these out. Okay, this is the track that will get screwed back onto the wall in the TrailManor. And that little slit that's inside there is, and I'll show you the tab on the curtains, but they slide inside that track edge right there. And that's what holds the curtains to the wall. This gets screwed in, the curtains get threaded through it. Yeah, those are two. And I've got them all labeled so I know where they came off of. So, let me grab my coffee cup and we'll go back into, yeah, nuked my coffee. It got cold. Okay, so I got quite a bit done.